Hello everyone. Now we're checking one Seagate undetected firmware repair case study, and we can see the hard drive ID information is not identified. So for this kind of undetected tension drive repair case study and how to continue to repair this kind of failure and finally get the source data back. Now we are checking, this is one special Seagate family, so we need to come here, use this one. This step is very important, and we can try to use it for to make sure the commands can be input successfully, and we regenerate this translator and see. Now we can see the drive comes ready after its translator regeneration. And let's exit this program and access the hard drive again. Let's see if the drive is fixed or not. So we can see the drive comes back. Click OK. Now we can see the drive has been fixed and detected. We can try to check the LBA. So we can see this is LBA 0, but it's encrypted. We can see the sector 0, it's encrypted. So for this kind of drive, we can try to unlock it permanently and see. So here we can see it's click save. Now we need to write ROM. We can write the original ROM. So this is original ROM. So let's write the original ROM and see. To writing ROM is to write by boot mode. After the boot mode write, ROM write, we need to power off and power on the pension drive and see what happened. Please note, this is enterprise drive. It has some NOC, SED NOC inside, and it has this also the data log. So to unlock everything, we are removing the NOC by above operations. So let's wait and see. Now we can see the ROM write has been completed. So this is the boot mode. So we need to power off, power on to get the drive working in normal mode. Now let's power on the drive and see the COM terminal messages. F3T prompt. So right now we can see the drive has been unlocked permanently. So we check the LBA 0 again. Before above operations, we can see the data is encrypted. Now let's check again. Read the LBA 0. So we can see the 55AA. This is a partition mark. That means the data has been unlocked. We can access the partitions. And right now we can see we can access the DFL DDP data recovery software here, SATA 1. This is SATA 1. So we select SATA 1, click DDP icon. Now we have entered this data recovery software, new project, file extraction. So now we can see here are the lost partitions. Okay, because this partition has the bit knocker, and users need to input the bit knocker password to unlock this partition. Okay, thank you for watching the video.